Hi, my name is Jason with AlarmSystemStore.com. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the troubleshooting process for the Interlogix Simon XTi-5. I'll be going over a few trouble codes that you can get. Obviously, I won't be able to show everything, but I will show kind of the process that you'll go through, some of the things that you might see. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to help us get the word about DIY security out. More people that subscribe to us, and more people that will see these videos. We are doing another giveaway on this video for these decals, so make sure you stay tuned to the end as well, and we'll tell you how to get more of these. Alright, so let's go ahead and go to the table and we'll get started. Alright, so the first thing, we can already see we have some trouble conditions here. This is red, showing open, got an exclamation mark. We have the battery symbol up here, red with an exclamation mark. We got this yellow triangle down here. So we know there's some trouble conditions. So let's go into the status and settings. And another way you can check them is under panel status, hit listen.
Time is not set. Living room window tampered open. System low battery.
So gave us 3 trouble conditions there. So the first thing we can do, here's our living room window. It's not attached to the wall, so the wall tamper is open. If I hold down that wall tamper, look at that, it shows closed, green check, we're all good. Unless I open it. But we can always check by going to panel status, make sure that's clear.
Not set. System low battery.
So it's just giving us those 2. So I'm going to go ahead and release this. It's going to give us that trouble condition again, but we can always go to the other ones. So the time's not set. So that means that the system lost power at some point, and since it lost power, no one has set the date and time. So we'll scroll down until we see set date and time. We'll hit enter. You'll need to use your master code, which is currently 6789. So now you can set the time, hours, minutes, AM, PM, the date, month, day, year. So let's see, it's about 11 a.m. So we'll hit 11, save. Go to the minutes, 00, save. AM, but if we want to change that to PM, you just tap it, it toggles. Then set date, month. So the month we'll start with, it's November. The day, today is the 30th. Save. And the year, it's 2017. Save. So once all those are saved, we'll hit close. Now let's go back up to our panel status.
Living room window tampered open. System low battery.
Okay, so set date and time has gone away. So the low battery, now this could mean that your system needs to have the battery replaced. Maybe it's gone bad. That will go bad after about 5 years, give or take, depending on use. So the other thing is it could just not be plugged in. So to do that, we got to open this up. Get the faceplate off. Open from the top. And so you could see in our case, we don't have the battery plugged in. So we'll plug that in. Now if there's a low battery from your system losing power, there's not really much you can do to clear that but wait, because it just needs to recharge. It's a rechargeable battery, so So at this point, I've got it plugged in. It's still showing low battery. Now again, the system just needs time to see that before it will clear out. So let's go ahead and wait a minute and make sure it clears out. Alright, so battery has cleared out. I've got the tamper closed on the door contact. We've set the date and time. So you can see now we don't have any of those 3 signs that showed there was a trouble condition. All our zones are closed as we expect. There's no low battery symbol at the top. There's no yellow triangle here. And if we go down into the panel status,
System OK.
Shows system OK. So that's kind of the process you'll go through to fix your trouble conditions. Of course, this isn't an extensive list, but it's the basic process that you'll need to use. Thanks for watching that. Hopefully you found it helpful. Make sure you hit the like button if you did. And as promised, we are giving away 5 decals to 5 different people on this video. So each person that wins will get 5 decals mailed directly to them. To win, all you have to do is comment on this video within 1 week of posting. Everyone that comments will be entered. You get the same amount of chance no matter whether you comment first or last. But you do have to comment within 1 week. After the week's up, we will just let you know in the comment by replying to you that you won. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.